Hi guys, I'm reviewing this high power vacuum cleaner, and this is good for your car. There's the pictures there. So let's take it out of the box and show you what it looks like. Okay, so you get this brush attachment, another attachment, and another. Here is the vacuum cleaner here. I like the rose gold color. That is very pretty. I'm going to take this tape off of it real quick. Okay. Has a light on there, so if it's dark in your car and you're trying to vacuum it up, you can see where you're vacuuming, so that's awesome. Okay, to turn it on, just push it forward. And push it all the way back to turn the light on. That's cool. And this button releases this, and you can just empty it out. That's really, really nice. And you get this. This is the charger for it. It's a wall charger. And you charge it right there. There's the plug. And it has the instructions. Everything is really easy to read and it's easy to follow. This is a simple little vacuum cleaner to use. So you charge it for 3 to 4 hours, and you can use it for 20 to 25 minutes when fully charged. Alright, so you guys seen it. If you guys want to order one, the link to this is in the description. I hope you go and check it out. This is a very nice, handy vacuum cleaner to use in your car, or you can use it at home, like to get in between the couch cushions and everything. Any little small areas that you need to vacuum. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.